How to add apps to Android Auto. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are providing with a very clear guide on how to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we do not manually add application inside Android Auto. Apps appear automatically if they are compatible. So what we can do is we can go to Google Play Store and install the compatible apps. So we can install application that support Android Auto, such as Spotify is one of them. So you can just go and search for Spotify and find that specific application. Once you find it up, you can look out for the install option there. Or we have WhatsApp, music, and podcast application in Google Maps as well. We can use these applications right here. We can install it like we do normally. Once it is done, there are two ways that we can connect it. One of them is USB cable and one is wireless. If your car supports it, you can use those methods and you can open up your settings and go to the option for connected devices. Go ahead and search for connected and search for devices. And once you find this option right here for connected devices, you can use Android Auto and allow the permission to just calls, location, etc. and just go over and enable the Android Auto. After that, in your car's screen, you can check the app drawer and you'll be finding the application being available there. And that's it. Usually only the supported applications will show. You can restart your phone or the car system if the applications don't appear. You can also use USB if wireless is unstable. And that's it for now. You can just go and follow this method to add applications to Android Auto. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.